Good afternoon to all students. Today in English we are going to learn a new poem, Growing Up. This poem tells us about the living things that undergo different stages of growth in their lives. In this poem, Growing Up, there are two short poems that tell us the growing up of a frog and a butterfly. Now student, I will recite the poem for you all and you should listen it properly. Growing Up, Mr. Thomas Frog. Written by C.J. Dennis. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. And his mother didn't know him, as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole, but Mr. Thomas Frog. Now, the next poem, The Butterfly. The fussy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Now student, I will explain you the poems. Growing Up, Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Student, in this stanza, the poet tells us about the life cycle of a frog. Student, the frog undergoes different stages of growth, and tadpole is the stage at first in that it has a long tail but no arms or legs, as you can see in the picture, and later it grows up into a froglet and then into an adult frog. So student, this Tommy Tadpole was weeping and wailing, means he was crying because he lost his tail. He lost his little tail. And his mother didn't know him, as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole, but Mr. Thomas Frog. Student, in this stanza, the poet tells that even his mother didn't recognize him, as he wept by sitting on a log, because he was not Tommy Tadpole, but grown into an adult frog, and that is no one else but Mr. Thomas Frog. Now we'll see the other poem. The Butterfly. The fussy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. Student, in this stanza, we come to know that the caterpillar is the stage of the life cycle of a butterfly. Here, fuzzy means covered with soft fine hair that sticks up. And you can see in this picture that the caterpillar looks like a worm and it has curled upon a leaf. Curled means covered into a round shape on a leaf. Made herself chrysalis and then fell asleep. Student, chrysalis is the third stage of the life cycle of a butterfly, as you can see in the picture. Students, you had already learned about the life cycle of butterfly in EVS 1. Once again, I will remind you. A butterfly first lays eggs on the leaves of a plant, and when these eggs hatch, the larvae come out of these eggs, also called as caterpillar, and then it forms a protective layer around itself that is known as chrysalis. In this, the caterpillar is also called as pupa. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes into various changes. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. This stanza tells us that while she was sleeping in that protective case, that is the chrysalis stage, she dreamed that she could fly. And now, in this stage, after few days, a beautiful other butterfly emerges from it. It has wings and legs and now can fly. The series of changes in the life cycle is also called as metamorphosis. And as she woke up, she saw herself into a beautiful, colorful butterfly. Students, I hope you all understood the poem well. Now, students, you should recite the poem along with me. Growing Up, Mr. Thomas Frog, written by C.J. Dennis. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole, but Mr. Thomas Frog. The butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Students, you have to write the poem one time in your book and by heart it. Your other homework is you have to write the hard words from the poem, that is Thomas, Tadpole, Weep, Tommy, Fuzzy, Caterpillar, Curled, Chrysalis, Dreamed, Butterfly. Your more homework is you have to write the meanings from the poem. Fuzzy, covered with soft fine hair that sticks up. Chrysalis, a stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. It is also the name of the hard case in which the caterpillar lies till it is transformed into a butterfly. And tadpole is a stage in the life cycle of a frog or toad. At first, a tadpole has a long tail but not arms or legs. Your last homework is you have to write the opposite words. Little pig, lost, found, asleep, awake, later, earlier, weep, laugh. Thank you, student.